Hey all, if you're looking for a fun and challenging build while being able to enjoy a toy that you can actually play with afterwards, this might be the right option for you. This is the Mechanical Master, and as you can see, it is very similar to Lego Technic, which I've never built before. I've built many other Legos, and I found this really fun and challenging. Now, a few surprises that I didn't know that this was capable of doing is that it has not only a remote control that you can control manually, um, and you can also control it via Bluetooth. Now, the Bluetooth functionality, you can use it as just like as a remote as normal, which is expected, but you can also do driving mode, which is senses the gimbal on your phone. You can also program it so that it can go a certain pathway. And there's two ways of programming it, either by just drawing a simple line on your app, or you can actually program it using certain commands. Now, I will say though that the arm is not programmable or controllable by the remote control. You do have to use these little kind of dials on the back. And I tested it on Legos. It was a little challenging to do Legos. Sand, I was able to use it on my daughter's kinetic sand, which is like simulated wet sand. So if it can do wet sand, it could most definitely do dry sand as well. I also like that it has a functionality so that you can just recall it. So based off your position where your phone is, you can recall it, and from wherever this is, this will come back to you as well. This is a really beautiful set. It's got a whole bunch of stickers that I love, and it really brings this to life. And I will say though that I wish that the stickers instructions, they were part of the instructions as I was building it. It was a little challenging adding the stickers after it was fully built. So that's something to keep in mind. Another thing I will say about the instructions is that it is a little small. I wish it was bigger, especially for a set this size. It's huge. I wish that the instruction booklet was a little bit bigger so that the images are larger and it's easier to see and they're not all cramped together. This was rated for ages 6+, but to be honest, I think this is probably closer to a 10+ type of set. I let my daughter try it. She's 7 years old and she was not able to put this together. There are some complex instructions and pieces that someone a little bit older and has more dexterity with their fingers to be able to put this thing together. But I am loving it. As far as playability though, definitely a 6-year-old could control this. Could even program this. But as far as building it, I would say I would recommend 10 and over. But overall, I'm really thankful for the brand for sending out the sample to try out, and I can't wait to try the other 4 options available with this set. But thanks for watching and have a great one.